It starts as a faint whisper, a light tapping that you only notice during a cold start in your driveway. You try to ignore it. You turn up the radio, but deep down, every Ram 1500 owner knows that sound is a countdown. It's the sound of a $5,000 mechanical failure slowly introducing itself. In the next 4 minutes, we aren't just going to identify that sound. We are going to expose why Chrysler's engineering choices put your engine on a collision course with a scrapyard, and how you can stop it before the metal starts shaving. To find the cure, we have to look at the blood of the engine, the oiling system. The Hemi 5.7 was designed with a dual-purpose mission: power and efficiency. To achieve that efficiency, Chrysler implemented the MDS, the multi-displacement system. It's a marvel of engineering that shuts down 4 cylinders to save fuel. But there's a dark side. Why? The oil passages required to operate these special lifters are incredibly narrow. When you idle your truck at a stoplight or in a parking lot, the oil pressure drops. The needle bearings in your lifters, the very heart of your valve train, begin to starve. They stop rolling, they start dragging. Here is where the controversy begins. Your owner's manual strictly demands 5W20 oil. The dealership insists on it to keep your warranty valid. But ask any high-mileage Hemi specialist and they'll tell you a different story. 5W20 is for fuel economy ratings, not for engine longevity. In the heavy-duty world, many owners are switching to a higher viscosity 5W30 synthetic with high molybdenum content. Why? Because at operating temperatures, that thinner oil becomes like water, failing to provide the film strength needed to protect those starving lifters. It's a gamble between a 1% gain in MPG and the life of your camshaft. When you take your ticking ram to the dealer, they often point to the exhaust manifold bolts, and they aren't lying. These bolts snap constantly due to heat cycles. A broken bolt causes an exhaust leak that sounds remarkably like a mechanical tick. They swap the bolts, the sound muffles, and they send you on your way. But if that tick remains after the engine is hot, you've been misled. Why? You are dealing with a collapsed lifter. By the time the check engine light flickers with a P0300 misfire code, the damage to your camshaft is already terminal. The Band-Aid fix just bought them time until your powertrain warranty expired. So, how do you bulletproof a Hemi? It's a 3-pronged attack. First, change your oil every 4,000 miles, no exceptions. Use a high-flow filter like the SRT or Wix XP to maximize pressure. Second, minimize idle time. If you aren't moving, your lifters aren't lubing. Third, for those out of warranty, consider an MDS delete kit. It replaces the failure-prone lifters with solid, non-MDS units, turning your Hemi into the reliable workhorse it was meant to be. Your Ram 1500 is one of the most capable trucks on the road, but it requires a level of maintenance the factory doesn't disclose. If you found this technical deep dive valuable, subscribe for more DocuTech investigations. Protect your investment. See you in the next one.